mosquito net is in red, but there is a blue variant available too. It measures 200 by 200 by 140 cm and is a perfect fit for king-sized bed. It has a superior quality finish with a see-through polyester net that is tightly woven to prevent mosquitoes from entering. The pop-open design can be set up instantly on the bed without the need of any tying or nails. The fabric is quite low maintenance and you can wash it, fold it and keep it aside when not in use. And that's not all, the mosquito net comes with pockets to hold spectacles, mobile phones and chargers. There's also a variant available for single bed mattress.
Thank you for purchasing Goodnight Mosquito Bed Net. In this video, we will explain the steps to close the net after use. To begin, untie the ribbons and close both the zipper openings. Now, hold the edges firmly with both your hands. First, push one corner inside towards the center to form a single panel like this. Firmly hold the frame along this horizontal line. Now bring both the hands together to twist the mosquito net and form two circles. Next, hold the upper end with one hand and the lower end with the other as shown here. Then twist the lower end to form the third circle. Hold firmly and lock using the elastic band. The net is now ready to be stored in the outer cover provided with it. Thank you for watching.